Hey Dave,
Hey, what?
have you ever put in a skylight before?
Nope.
Me either. This ought to be an epic disaster. Howdy troops, we're back for another round. Dave had to run to the post office. That's a 20-mile trip. He's waiting on a package that supposedly was there 2 days ago, but hasn't been put in the mailbox. So snail mail efficiency at its best. We have it, but you can't. So supposedly there's somebody in there today. So we'll see if he turns up with it or not. So back on the roof, and I'm gonna pop the edge of this ice and water up, roll it back, and strip from where I left off yesterday to the end, and continue on. And by the end of today, without much trouble, we should have the fascia on and all the drip edge on and ice and water on, and I'm kind of thinking we can have both the skylights sitting on here and ice and watered down. Not gonna have the shingles all put on or nothing like that yet, but at least it'll be all watertight. So as I said yesterday, I did not peel the backing off out here. Yeah, out here on the edge, this is ripped now, but when I overlay this, I'm going to overlay it by a few inches. No big deal. So, having the holes out here on the edge, not a concern at all. Yeah, look at that. I'll step in the hole, which should be right there. And I take that and flop that over like so. I wouldn't be able to do that if that was peeled. This one, I only gotta go right about there. All right, now I can start stripping. We got a head down there.
He's here, but
He ain't working hard enough. He still got his jacket on. I'm sweating.
I don't plan on taking it off.
I'm sweating to death up here. Well, the roof is stripped. The old skylight is out. They extended the skylight hole up. Getting ready to throw the header in. Dave is removing the gutter off on there. And removing the so-called fascia board, which is nothing but a strip of plywood. So he's getting the soffits all ready to run the new fascia and get the drip edge on while I'm up here working on this. Yeah, I'm friggin' hot. Sucking down a lot of water today. I must have drank 20 gallons of it yesterday. Smile for the people, Dave. Gooba.
Yep.
Miranda's down there with a big magnet sucking up nails. Down there somewhere.
Well,
Somewhere
it's 'cause
down
the
there.
kid gave up.
The kid gave up. Yeah, imagine that.
Too complicated.
Oh, there she is. Hey, Mandy. What? How's the science project going?
Good.
I told her we were going to do a science project and learn about magnetism. I don't think that's what she had in mind.
Oh well.
I'd rather blow up stuff.
Yeah, we'll fix the mice tunnels. Dave's finding mice tunnels. We'll get to that when the ceiling comes down inside and everything gets redone. Pull all the old insulation out.
Oh.
This is one example where it's nice to have a Dave. He's down there ripping that old mess out of there while I'm up here working on this.
Oh my God. Oh.
I don't have to be in two places at once. What do you got, Dave?
Implements of destruction.
Grandpa at work.
I got told to show you all the mice tunnels. This is just right inside the fascia board. All these little voids, they're not just from lack of insulation. This is from where rodents, critters, some of my relatives, I swear, must have spent some time. They ain't much better than rodents or rats, so. But yeah, that's a bad thing, because not only is your insulation compressed, they're also doing what they do and urinating and defecating. Then why did I end up having to get the hammer?
Yeah, so this winter when we pull the ceiling down inside to redo all that, we'll be able to reach down inside where Dave just showed you and pull all that mess out, reaching out of the shop vac, suck all the mess out, re-insulate it. So we'll get her done, just not going to be right now. You should be having fun, old boy. You're getting to destroy stuff.
It still takes energy, and I'm still a little lacking on that.
Well, at least you're about 60% back to normal. Whatever normal is for you.
I don't know what normal is.
Oh, that's true. When I peeled this skylight off, this corner right here was wet. It's dried out now. The sun's been on it. But that skylight was starting to leak too. So at this point, ready to cover this over with some chipboard. Bring everything over, continue it. Cut the skylight hole out. And we'll get the fascia and the drip edge on. Don't let him fool you. He likes breaking stuff.
Yeah, this is cheaper than breaking hearts. You know, maybe now you can find where your wires went bad.
Yeah, all the interior wiring got chewed on by mice, so not using it in this building. So we just decided to reach in there with the pry bar with a 90 degree and just rip that stuff out. Just make it a little easier for us next time. Yeah, now we don't have to try and rip it out from inside. They're coming to get you.
Please. Gets me out of roof work.
Well, we're getting there with the fascia. Got one more piece to go. Well, there. We've added a fascia board. Now we can do our drip edge.
I told you I'm half drip.
Well, troops, we're back on the roof. We've made it this far. Get it covered over.
Somehow I tripped on the ground and ended up here. Gravity failed me.
Want to start over here?
We want to start this way and go that way?
I don't care.
I'm just a lazy fat guy here for the ride.
Well, don't step in the wrong hole. You'll go for a ride.
Kind of reminds me of an ex I once had. Long dark hole to nowhere.
This is a lot easier with two people too. Ready? Jump that down just a whisker. Okay. What about that? Start it.
It's so much easier when I'm just being a lazy fat guy holding an edge.
It is.
Get down there.
And then come out here and hold the roll down. Don't have to worry about falling off the friggin' roof.
Hang on, man.
Well, if you've already got it stuck, you've got it stuck.
It's stuck.
It ain't gonna move now.
And I'm a ½ inch off.
You got a nail right there, right under your right foot.
Keep peeling.
I would say keep peeling.
Hey, we're running out of roof.
Good point.
No, I'm not a La Pointe.
Get that edge. To avoid getting bloody, cut towards your buddy.
So there you go. Cut your leg right off instead.
Oh yeah. Fingers clear?
I'm clear. I do not provide mouth-to-member resuscitation. Good thing I hadn't pulled that off yet, huh? Oh, looking at the way that trip edge there, it kind of looks like that whole trip edge kind of be adjusted some. And I was just gonna let this hit the ground. Hey, Mandy. I got trash coming down at you, girlie.
I mean, do something. I'll just stand here and look at you. Hey, now we can.
I was trying to volunteer you to do something
I'm gonna flop it.
easy.
Next one, watch your steps over here. Hey Dave,
Hey, what?
have you ever put in a skylight before?
Nope.
Me either. This ought to be an epic disaster.
As long as it stays on the roof. As long as we stay on the roof.
Well, we read the book. Gotcha. Oh.
Looks like it's gonna have to go, the top's gotta go your way some.
Oh, now we're on there, close enough.
Okay, Larry.
It already looks 100 times better than what it was on there.
Yes.
So,
I'm just kind of going by what I can see for the eyeball between the,
we've got alignment notches here, which is supposed to do something. I don't think they're really going to help us out.
no, because we didn't extend lines.
Maybe we should.
Bottom looks okay, so you can trim. But it looks like the whole thing's gonna have to come towards you so we can trim up inside to match.
Keep coming.
Keep coming. Go some more.
Keep coming.
Yes.
Half an inch.
Looks good. I'd say, how about we come uphill about another ½ inch.
Up scope.
Up scope. That ought to be pretty damn close. Throw a snail in her. If it's crooked, I'm getting blamed anyway. If it's right, you get blamed. If it's wrong, I get blamed. I know how this works.
Right.
Probably we can kick that bottom towards the woodshed some.
Let me try and get another bullet out of my pocket here.
Actually, yeah, I'd probably go half,
Go that way.
3/8 inch. Yeah, I think we can work with that. I know who the trim carpenter will be. He can fix it.
You.
That's exactly what I meant.
Well, it shouldn't fall off the roof now.
Now all you gotta do is nail her down. That we gotta take them off. They'll just slide off.
All these,
Yep.
whatever these things are.
So when we put that sticky stuff on,
Yeah, it's one more.
yep.
Well, this is the first time experience. And I get to have it from my most favorite person.
I didn't realize I was the most favorite. I thought I was just the only glutton.
That's right. That's right.
The
Try to make you sound good. Try to make you feel good.
Oh, okay. Closest dumbass you could find.
Actually, I think if I peel it off now, give me
A little more
a
room.
little more room for the hammerhead. Oh yeah. Need a knife.
If I had fingernails, it would help.
Yeah, I don't need it. There you go. Now that's supposed to.
There
One
we
more
go.
thing to try and not break.
Yep.
Ooh.
I do like some people and go grab you the roofing nailer. It'll be quicker.
Yeah. Well, there, 10,000 nails later. She's on the roof. So now we've got some special adhesive underlayment that came with the flashing kit that we gotta get on here. I gotta figure out where to start. Must be
Where it stops.
Must be underneath here. There we go. I found it, I think.
Good job.
So if I cut off a piece. There we go. Want me to peel it for you?
Let's give me a second here. Because we got to also flip it up under this black gasket down here.
Yep.
And then still have enough to make some laps that'll kind of maybe like shed some water.
You know what? My back is killing me.
It is.
Wish you would hurry up.
Well, I'm sorry, I'm slow.
I can hold this for you.
Trying to get one side to peel. Because I can't tell if both sides peel or just one side peels.
Oh, we probably got it upside down.
Well, I got one side that wants to peel.
You know what I'm thinking?
What's that?
Banana!
Look at that. We found a peeling spot.
You got a spot start? Yeah, we had it backwards, didn't we?
Yep.
Bananas of the universe unite.
Oh, hails far. I ain't heard that in years.
Years. Peel, 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 peel. Remember we used to do that all the friggin' time?
Yes, the joy of scout camp.
Peel, 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 peel.
Can you do that nowadays at scout camp, or is that going to be offensive?
Probably offensive. Might hurt the bananas feeling or something.
Okay, let's try to lift this black gasket up.
You want me to do the gasket?
Yeah.
Okay, I got the gasket. You got the sticky stuff.
Yep. May have to trim a little bit with that knife.
Does this look like two monkeys in a football?
It sounds like it with the conversation. And yes, that sticky stuff is sticky.
Well, that's the idea. It's supposed to stick there.
Okay, now we need ourselves a knife. It ain't, you're good with letting that down.
Here you go. Watch my fingers.
You don't need them.
I know how you are with knives.
Not like you gotta go share them fingers with a
Now you
girl
can
or
lay that up
something.
here, right?
Yep,
Lay it.
just lay it. Because that's gonna get covered.
By the next one.
Yep. That ain't your finger. Okay. Grab that before I hurt myself.
Yep. Better you than me.
Hey,
I'll put it back at the top of the window.
there we go.
You get it?
Yes.
Cool.
And she is thoroughly wrapped.
Okay, we've already got the other side with the seal on. So
Kind of roll this back.
yeah, do this side. This is definitely easy with a Dave. Having two people. I don't know how I get the roof end of the deal, but
Because that's where the smart people go. Smart people go and get high. Oh, yeah.
that's all I got to say about that.
Good. Drag yourself north. Keep going up if you got plenty.
Yeah, I'm well up by.
Okay.
All
Put
right.
my little gasket.
So we're up plenty high enough vertically.
Yep. Okay, I'm in on the gasket area.
Yep.
I'm good there.
So what we're doing is we're building a wall here, coming up the side of the skylight, going down, and it comes out and seals down on the ice and the water. Since water runs downhill, even though it's all stuck together, we start at the bottom, come up the sides, then we'll do the top.
And when you got a knife, we'll take it.
Want me to open it before I throw it?
Yes, please.
As soon as you get done with that, I'll peel the rest of this. So he's cutting off the corner there so we can lay it flat and wrap it around. All right, you all set?
Yep. There, she's all sealed.
All right.
All squealed.
Just like that. Now we just gotta do the top. This one will be all sealed. Then we gotta put another skylight on. Then we screw off, play with an antenna.
Oh, I'm going to sit down here in the shade for a minute before I get back up there.
Oh, I see how you are.
That bright ass sun straight in my eyeballs. Actually, it's called I need a tobacco break.
Friggin' smokers.
Yes.
Okay. You can get a piece of this started off from here. There we go. Alright, I want to get it right up there, nice and high, like so. Stick her on there. And work it down. Oh, look who showed up to work today.
The part-timer. Or some timer.
Well, you can cut that side since you're over there.
Ken?
Just saves me from going over there.
Oh. See how this is.
Not sure when we put that metal thing back on.
After you shingle it,
Okay.
step flash it.
So we'll take the other one off before we even bring the window up there.
Yep. I was looking at the instructions.
Ah, the destructions.
The picture's more than likely.
Whatever works. All right, so we got the window in, we got the sealant around it. So if it rains, we should stay dry.
You should stay dry. I will. I didn't put holes in my roof.
Alrighty, folks. There's the skylight. She's in there. And here's the other one. So this side of the roof from end to end is ready for shingles. Good day today. What do you think, Dave?
I gave up on it. I'm too tired.
Yeah, I'm beat too. So yeah, the roof is ready. Well, one side of it, 60 feet. And hopefully on the next trip, be able to get the other side prepped up and have that ready for shingles. So we'll see how it goes. Catch ya.